Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a skort. I actually took a pair of shorts that I have and I laid my material out. I laid my shorts out. I laid my material that I want to make the skort out of. I laid it onto the fabric or onto the shorts and cut a square out. Now I'm going to take the shorts off of there. I'm going to sew together a skirt out of the fabric, and then I'll show you how to attach it to the shorts to actually make your skort. But right now I have my material cut out already. I'm going to turn it right side together. I actually made it a little bit looser. The material that I got is stretchy, but it's going to be a lot longer, so I can hem it up to whatever size that I would prefer. But I'm going to stitch down the sides of it. Make sure you back stitch. Okay, I have one side of it. I'm going to go ahead and stitch down the other side of it. I actually have both sides of it sewed together. I'm going to turn it right side out right now. Now I'm going to take and put the shorts inside of it, of the skort. Then I'm going to attach it at the waistband. First of all, I'm going to put a actual hem around the waistband. I'm not going to put no elastic into it because I'm going to sew it and attach it to the shorts, so I'll give you an idea here in just a minute. It's a quick and simple way. as you can see that I made a hem along the waistband. Now I'm going to actually insert the shorts inside of it. Now I'm going to take and sew around the top of it again, attach the material to the shorts. These shorts are actually have elastic waist, so I don't have to worry about doing nothing to them, just attaching them. The string off and I'll give you a look at it. It's a really simple way of making them. As you can see, now I just got to right here. As you can see, now I just got to actually put a hem in the skirt. Don't worry if it's too long. You'd rather have it too long than too short. But skorts ain't supposed to be that long anyway, so. I'm actually going to cut a little bit of the material off. That way I don't have to hem as much. See, I'm going to go ahead and put the hem in it. Turn the camera back around for you. This material was really soft. It came from Joanne Fabric. Okay, I'll give you a better look at it now. Sorry about my camera, but here you have it. It's a skort. You take any ordinary pair of shorts and attach it, make a skirt and attach it to it, and they turned out perfect. As you can see, I actually have a matching shirt, summer shirt, sleeveless, that I had made, and if I want to wear them together I can. It's a really cute outfit. But if you like my videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, take care.